Nearly 4,500 criminal cases are pending against sitting and former legislators across the country. Data from 24 high courts has shown. The Supreme Court said the state of affairs is shocking. So many cases are pending at the initial stages because of the influence of lawmakers, the court said while hearing a petition on criminal cases against political leaders. Of the 4,442 cases against sitting and former legislators, 174 cases are offences punishable with a life term in jail, is what the three-judge bench of Justices N.V. Ramana, Suryakant and Hrishikesh Roy said. In Bengal and Punjab, some pending cases date back to 1981 and 1983, while in UP and in Bihar, the corresponding date is 1991. The petition was filed by advocate and BJP leader Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, who had sought a lifetime ban on convicted politicians from contesting elections. Currently, they are banned for 6 years. Well, let's go across to Vaidya for more on this story. And Vaidya, now notice has been issued to the centre.
Actually, there are two parts of this petition. One, he wanted a lifetime ban on this. Not only that, who have been convicted for heinous crimes, they should be barred from taking any position in the political party, heading the political party or important functionaries. On that, the Supreme Court has issued notices. Within 6 weeks, Centre will have to respond. On the other aspect, he wanted the speeding up of the trials which have been pending for a long time. Now, Supreme Court found, as per the report submitted by a senior advocate who is helping the court, Mr. Ansaria, that even 40 years still on, some cases are pending, particularly in Punjab and West Bengal. The court said, despite the special court being set up to deal with these cases, still it's on because of the influence of the legislatures sitting and former legislatures. Not only that, the court has also asked the high court. Some high courts have submitted data, the court wanted a specific data of what are the trials pending in corruption cases and also in other issues like money laundering cases. So that will be submitted by the high courts within 2 days, and the court would be taking up this case on September 16 for passing final orders.
All right, Vaidya, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So this case for cleaning up of Indian politics.